First is my steamed fish Teochew style and steamed tofu with garlic and soy sauce and tomato and egg drop soup and stir-fry veggie and also spicy pork belly. 5. This is a very simple and easy dish. You can even cook this using microwave. So, the main ingredients for this is tofu, green onion and garlic. And for the sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and about half teaspoon of sugar and 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. Mix it well, make sure the sugar dissolves. So after you steam your tofu for 5 to 8 minutes, take it out, drain the water, pour the sauce mixture on top of the tofu and then add the fried garlic on top and also green onion for garnish. If you like, you can put celery, coriander and fried shallot and chili on top of it as well. It's very yummy, easy, healthy. For the fried garlic, it's actually optional if you don't feel like frying. A lot of time I don't feel like frying garlic or washing another pan and pot. So I will just have soy sauce mixture with the sugar and water and pour it on top and add a lot of green onion and coriander and chili on it, and it's very yummy. But for special occasion, I will fry the garlic because it enhances the smell and the taste as well. So it's up to you. Best with garlic, but it's still very good and healthy without fried garlic. For Chinese New Year dinner, must have fish